The 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout is not a motorcycle that tries to impress quietly. From the moment it rolls into view, it makes its presence felt, with a long, low stance that looks more like a custom show bike than something built on a production line. Harley has always been good at blending attitude with heritage, and in the 2026 Breakout, that formula feels sharper, bolder, and more confident than ever. This bike is designed for riders who want to be seen, heard, and remembered every time they twist the throttle. Visually, the Breakout stays true to its drag-inspired DNA. The stretched wheelbase, raked-out front end, and ultra-wide rear tire immediately catch the eye. For 2026, Harley has refined the proportions even more, making the bike look cleaner and more muscular without losing its aggressive character. The fuel tank sits low and wide, flowing smoothly into the solo seat, while the chopped rear fender tightly hugs that massive rear wheel. Chrome and blacked-out finishes are balanced beautifully, giving riders options that feel both classic and modern at the same time. At the heart of the 2026 Breakout is a powerful Milwaukee-Eight engine that defines the riding experience. The torque delivery is strong and instant, pushing the bike forward with authority the moment you open the throttle. This isn't about high-revving performance or chasing top speed figures. It's about raw, satisfying pull that makes every straight road feel exciting. The exhaust note is deep and commanding, a sound that perfectly matches the bike's bold personality and reminds you that you're riding a true Harley-Davidson. Despite its intimidating looks, the Breakout is surprisingly manageable on the road. The low seat height gives riders confidence at stops, and the forward controls place you in a relaxed yet commanding riding position. On open highways, the bike feels planted and stable, encouraging long, smooth throttle inputs and effortless cruising. It's the kind of motorcycle that makes you want to slow down just enough to enjoy the ride, the sound, and the attention it naturally attracts. Handling on the 2026 Breakout is improved compared to previous generations. Harley has fine-tuned the suspension to offer better balance between comfort and control. While it's not built for aggressive corner carving, the bike feels more composed through gentle curves and wide bends. The wide rear tire provides solid grip, and the overall chassis stability adds to the sense of confidence, especially at higher cruising speeds. Technology is present, but intentionally subtle. Harley understands that Breakout riders value style and feel over flashy screens and excessive electronics. For 2026, the bike features updated rider aids that work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without taking away from the raw riding experience. Braking performance feels strong and predictable, giving the rider peace of mind whether cruising in traffic or rolling down an open road. Comfort is another area where the Breakout quietly impresses. The seat is designed for solo riding, offering enough support for long journeys while maintaining the bike's sleek profile. The handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on the shoulders, and the overall ergonomics feel natural for relaxed cruising. It's a motorcycle that invites you to ride longer, not because it's practical, but because it feels good to do so. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout is more than just a cruiser. It's a statement. It represents a lifestyle built around freedom, individuality, and bold expression. This is a bike for riders who don't want to blend in, who appreciate the art of motorcycle design as much as the act of riding itself. Every detail, from the stance to the sound, reinforces that sense of identity. In the end, the Breakout isn't trying to compete with sport bikes or touring machines. It exists in its own space, where attitude matters as much as performance and style is just as important as comfort. The 2026 model refines everything that fans already love about the Breakout, while adding just enough modern touch to keep it relevant. For riders who dream of owning a bike that turns heads and delivers a pure, emotional riding experience, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout stands ready to make that dream a reality.